Hello students, I Sneha Sharma, your English teacher, welcomes you to your English 1 class. So, in the previous video we have already started chapter 19, that is prepositions. We have discussed prepositions of time, prepositions of place, and today we will be starting prepositions of movement, and we will also discuss the exercise of this chapter. So let us start. Prepositions of movement indicate where something or somebody is going. So preposition of movement means where a person is going or where something is going. Okay. So this is the definition of prepositions of movement. Example, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So where is he going? I am going to Delhi. Sheena walked off the stage. So where did she go? She walked off. Sania is running from one end of the ground to another. So from one to another. We went towards the mountain. Where we went towards. They were walking along the pavement means side of the pavement. Okay. Girish loves hiking through the forest. Where? Through the forest. Okay. So here are some more prepositions of movement. You can see the pictures over here. The horse went up the hill. Where did the horse went? Up the hill. Tina jumped into the pool. Where did she jump? Into the pool means inside that pool. The ball rolled down the stairs. Where did the ball roll? Down the stairs. So now we will start the exercise for this chapter. Fill in the blanks with prepositions of time, at, in or on. So you have to fill in the blanks with at, in or on. So I have already done the exercise for you. So let us discuss it. My birthday is on 29th April. Chandani went home at lunchtime. In Shimla, it often snows in December. The sun shines brightest in noon. Now we plan to shift to another house on Christmas Eve. I have an examination at 10 a.m. Okay, next part of the exercise, we have to fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions of place. So the geese flew over or in the houses. Okay, Ravi's dog hid my slipper under the sofa. Mother placed the fruit bowl beside the flower vase. Hema finished her homework and put her books in the school bag. Please keep the plates on the table. The frog's head is above the water. So this was the prepositions of place. Okay. Now over here we have to complete the passage with suitable prepositions of movement. Okay. Now we were excited to go on a picnic. We ran to the playground and boarded the school bus. We soon reached the picnic spot. We got off the bus and walked along, or you can write through the tall grass till we reached an open area. We ran from one end to the other in the open area. Further on, there was a children's park. We climbed up the slide and slid down it quickly. We walked through the entire park. It was a wonderful day and we enjoyed ourselves thoroughly. So this was for the prepositions of movement. Okay. Okay, this was all for this part of the exercise. Now the next part of the exercise says underline the prepositions in these sentences and state whether they are prepositions of place, movement or time. For place you are supposed to indicate with P, for movement you are supposed to indicate with M, and for time you are supposed to indicate with T. So let us do it quickly. Leave the keys on the table please. So leave the keys on the table. So where? It's a preposition of place. I have a meeting on Friday. So this is like on Friday. So prepositions of time. In the box was a lovely pearl necklace. Again this is preposition of place. So where was the lovely necklace? In the walks. They walked through the forest for 2 days. So this is the preposition of movement. For how many days they walked through the forest? For 2 days and through the forest. Okay. Next we have this shopping center closes at midnight. So when does it closes? At midnight. So this is the prepositions of time. The cat was eyeing the mouse that was hiding under the sofa. So where was the mouse hiding? Under the sofa. So this is the prepositions of place. Okay. So as you can see, we have completed the exercise of this chapter. Okay. We have done the definitions of prepositions of movement, prepositions of place, prepositions of time. We have also come to know what prepositions are. Okay, so I would request you to go through the chapter, learn the definitions, okay, learn the exercise, okay, and that was all for today's class. Thank you.